How to import custom terrain to Roblox Studio. Imagine transforming your game world into a stunning landscape that feels truly unique. Today, I will guide you through the process of importing custom terrain into Roblox Studio. Whether you're just starting out or have been building for a while, creating custom terrain can make your game stand out. First, open Roblox Studio and look for the terrain editor. You can find it by clicking the editor button at the top of the screen. Once inside, go to the Create tab within the terrain editor. Here, you'll see an Import button that allows you to bring in height maps or color maps. Height maps are grayscale images where lighter areas are higher and darker are lower. Color maps use colors to assign different materials like grass, water, or rock. Click the Import button and select your image file. Make sure your height map or cooler map is the right size for your game. You can adjust the import settings, such as the size and position, to fit your world perfectly. Confirm the import, and Roblox will generate the terrain as a grid of tiny cubes called voxels. These voxels form your landscape with the materials you chose. If you want to transfer terrain between different Roblox projects, plugins are very helpful. You can use community-made plugins like the Terrain Region Importer. To do this, in the source game, cover the terrain area with a resized part. Use the plugin to clone the terrain inside that part. Then, copy the terrain region object and paste it into your new project. Use the plugin's options to position the terrain where you want it. This method works well when working with teams or multiple projects. For more control, some plugins let you save terrain as a model called Save Terrain. You can copy and paste this model into another game and then load it with the plugin. If you're comfortable with scripting, Roblox's Terrain API allows you to create terrain programmatically. You can use functions like fill block or fill region to build shapes or landscapes during gameplay. This is perfect for procedural terrain or dynamic environments. Remember, Roblox terrain is made of voxels, which are 4x4x for stud cubes. You can assign different materials such as grass, water, or rock to these voxels. When working with height maps, lighter pixels mean higher elevation, darker pixels mean lower. Color maps assign materials based on color, making it easier to design specific terrain types. Plugins make moving terrain between projects simple, especially if you are not using Team Create. Always check that your imported terrain fits well within your game's design and runs smoothly. By following these steps, you can create immersive worlds that look exactly how you want. Importing custom terrain opens up endless possibilities for building unique environments in Roblox.